Okay, so in the last session, I have discussed with the face analysis. Okay, in the analysis, how to recognize the face in multiple person, how to identify that person is correct or not, with identify this. Okay, that person is okay, how to recognize the face in different angles. So, so for that, this point I will discuss in the last session, and I write all code in the last session. So again, we need to create the resource because this resource expire. So go to the on here, okay, create resource. On here, we need to write cognitive, cognitive, cognitive service close, and we have Azure AI service. Create service. Okay. Now here this side and write name on here. Name is uh, mm, like something you can write on face AI test. Okay, and on here is zero. This is already exist one two one already exist. Okay. Now I create next. No need to in change in network, and now identify. No need to change on here text. No need and running file validation. Now create. Okay, this service is created on here. Now go in the management key and endpoint. Okay, the copy key one and paste on here. Okay, environment on here. This is a key. I remove this key, again paste on here, and I change the also endpoint. Endpoint, where is my endpoint? Go to the overview. Okay, this is the endpoint. Copy and paste on here. Okay.
So if we are accessing this Azure services, so it should be in running mode, okay, or deployed mode, right?
No, Azure service, no, no, this is a cloud service. You can no need to running mode. Okay, but make sure it's not expired. Okay,
Okay.
on here this is some time duration.
Mm.
On this time, it will delete it. Okay.
Okay.
If you have created, then no problem. You can close this Azure service and you can use because we if we are using in the current project in the live project. Uh, this is a log for the log inside app inside. This is also
Mm.
inside the cloud. Okay, on
Mm.
the cloud side. So no need to running. Okay, you can create. Make sure in the cloud that service is running.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. After that, face analysis. On here, this key will come from there. Okay. Now, this is it. Okay. Again, I reserve this point code. This is for the environment file. This is for the OS operating system. Okay, import, and this for the face client. Okay, for the face recognition. Okay, this model, face dot model face, this used for the recognize the face. Mainly those two line for the face recognition. Vision dot face, vision dot face dot model. On here, face detector model, face recognition model, face attribute model. These three things, and this client. Okay, two line for the face, and this is for the log and the credentials, and this for the draw the image. This line draw the image. Okay, and this is for the your service key and endpoint and key, and on here call the face client. Okay, endpoint with the key. Okay, then create the instance on here inside the client. Then I get the image. I check the image with the people.jpg. Okay, from this image I recognize the face. Now open image. Okay, read image URL inside the data and check on here. On here this feature head pose, like we have check, we have face. Okay, in the face we have head, we have uh acquisition and glasses. Means acquisition we have facial area including the forehead, eye and mouth. Okay, acquisition, acquisition. Inside the acquisition, we have mouth, eye, and forehead, including the things. Okay, head pose. This is a 3D roll. Yeah, okay, inside the ear pitch means, suppose that we have ear. Ear means, okay, can and nose and roll. Okay, so it will check the angle. Okay, suppose that you have 90 90 degree angle, or I have 45 degree angle, my face, or my face is 60 degree. Okay, so this on here will check the roll, eye and pitch. Okay, this head pose, roll, eye and pitch, these things. This is 3D angle. Okay, 3D roll, eye, pitch means eye. Okay, forehead, both things is check for the angle for the face direction, or the direction of the face. And glass, suppose you are you wear the glass or not. Okay, and on your mask, if you wear the if you wear the mask, or if you wear the glass. Okay, and if you wear the your eye, mouse, forehead, and what is the angle, this feature on here. Other also we can add multiple feature on here. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
After that, detect on here. Detection 03 means on here multiple value on here, like 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is a more accuracy. This is a parameter detection 01, detection 02, detection 03. Detection 03 is more accuracy when you get information from the image. Okay, so then 03 is more accuracy. And recognition also, this is a used to the recognize model for the better recognition accuracy, like 1, 2, 3 same things on here, therefore is a better recognition.
So maximum is 4.
Yeah,
Recommend.
this is a recognition for means better. So one accuracy, if good accuracy then 2, best accuracy 3, and best to best then 4.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and return face ID false. We need to return face ID, and we can add this return face attribute feature. This feature we can pass. So then, when you execute the code, then output with these features give the output: white post, acquisition, glasses, and face mask. Okay, for this give the output. Now is it, if you know face, then no face detected, and print this line. After I get, then on here figure plot. Okay, through the library matplotlib. Okay, figure figure size 10 and 7, and okay, this x-axis, y-axis, and this create the graph, and from the image draw the image. Okay, image draw the
Hmm.
image data
Hmm.
come. Okay, come on here, image URL, and on here draw the image.
Okay.
Okay, and color is red if you change something. And after that, come data from the response on here. Draw something on here like uh, on here inside response we have face object. Inside face object we have face attribute. Face attribute, inside the face attribute head pose, yeah, pitch, yellow. Okay, this is a direction. On here you can see on here this is a direction. Roll, ella, pitch. Okay, this is a face direction. This is a face direction. Face attribute that head pose. Okay, same things on here. I am get value on here. Head pose dot air, head pose dot pitch, head pose dot roll. Okay, these things value of angle, eye and forehead. What the angle? Okay, these things on give the output eye and glass and mask. Available mask is beer or not? Glass is beer or not? Okay, these things recognized for the face.
Okay.
After that, draw the on here.
That,
What the
okay.
based on the output, it draw the face with the uh, which inside the person, inside the object, we need to recognize the face and um, tag. This is a face. So face the rectangle, create the rectangle. Left top, left wide height, boundary works. Okay, boundary works, and this is count and a color. All things on here, on the in that box and on here. So the output in the inside the folder, output folder. Okay, then
Okay.
save file on here. Now uh, cd.
Okay. On the top of the thing, now we just include the import the OS. So what the mean the OS importing?
OS means when you run in the this code, then related to the OS, some library or compatible with the OS operating system.
Okay. Or like that iOS or like that
Or yes,
Windows.
I for that another things we can need, like Linux. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
according Linux it will set according
Oh,
okay, Ubuntu different operating system it will set according. Okay,
okay.
import OS. Now on here py, oh no, ub run. Okay, ub run face uh, face analysis, face analysis dot py. Okay, on here it will check the what the output in detection to face face number. Okay, on here in the image we have detect two face number one on a, yeah, 8.1 minus 8.1 means minus means left, plus means right. Like open the image just. Okay, go to the output and what the image name is, uh, face detection. Okay, face detection. Okay, now you can see. Okay, in the image we have two face. Okay, detected two faces, correct? Output it detected two faces. Face number one, face number one, head pose, yeah, head pose, yeah, minus 8.1. Minus 8.1 means it it move minus 8. Okay, minus 8.1 to left. Okay, if minus, then it to angle, it will check the angle. Okay, yeah, pitch roll, yeah, pitch roll, it will think, it will check with the angle. This will 45 degree, this will 30 degree, this will 60 degree. Only this, yeah, pitch roll is will check for the like on here pitch. Okay, 30.2. Okay, so then this is a air, this is a air. Okay, air and height, it will check the angle, how many angle this left means 13 degree angle from center to left. Okay, minus means it moved to the left. You can see, if you analysis it is face maximum left, move to the left side. Okay, left side
Okay.
in the
Okay.
inside rectangle. Okay, so roll, same things, roll air and this okay, inside this, yeah, pitch roll is it for the angle purpose. Okay, which angle these things. And on here you can glass, reading glass. Okay, reading glass. Okay, on here reading glass. No, no glass. Correct? No glass or not? Reading glass. Output is reading glass. Okay. Okay. So this is maybe image one. Okay, this is a reading glass. Image face one. Okay, face number one. This is because on here reading glass. Because this is a glass, on here no glass. Correct? On
Correct.
okay, okay, just I this is a phase one, phase two.
Mm.
Okay, phase number one. Phase number one. This is a phase number one. Okay, this is a phase number one. Can you see in the picture?
Yes, yes, yes.
This is a phase number one. This is a phase
Mm.
number two. Phase number one, glass, reading glass, because she has glass. Okay,
Yes, yes.
and mask, no mask, because she has no mask. Okay,
Okay.
and noise and mouse covered, false, means no one noise and something. Okay, then false. Same thing on the face number two, means for this. On here, head pose, air pitch roll. Okay, this is the angle. On here checking the angle. And glass, no glass, and no mask, and no noise and mouse covered, false, matlab no noise available on here. Okay, so this will output on here for the face. He recognize the face with this value. Okay.
Okay. So it will you provide only the details about the EI, pitch, and roll. So
Yeah,
based on
this is yeah, pitch roll. This is a angle purpose only. Like
mm,
on here, I go again. Uh, okay, head pose. Okay, go to the definition on here. Head pose. Okay, 3D roll. Yeah, pitch roll angle for phase detection. Phase detection for the phase detection angle. Angle only for the angle purpose. Okay, head pose. Head pose to 3D direction. Okay, 3D direction. Roll, yeah, pitch means we have air and we have four. And air and four, how many angle with the left or right or center? Okay, and roll air up is the 3 point further. Option for the detect phase with the things. Just I more clarification. Occupy session, however, glass, blur noise. Just I check more level. Okay, means service return or orientation of person head in 3D space. Okay, pitch head looking up or down. Okay,
mm,
pitch head looking up and down. Okay, this is you can see inside the see sky or see ground. Okay,
okay.
okay, yeah, head looking left or right. You see left or right. Okay, yeah. Roll means head tiled sideways. Sideways means you can see sides, like okay, you
Okay.
can see sides. Okay, when you drive the car or bike, then you can see sides. Okay, see the
Mm,
sides. Okay, left right. If you see the left and right, then yeah, pitch up and down. Correct. Now,
correct.
yeah means you can see, yeah means 0, 30 degree, minus 30 degree turnout. Okay, this is yeah. Okay, like when you bike, then you can only 30 degree, not 45 degree. Okay, this is 30
Mm,
degrees. In the you see in the mirror. Okay, 30
mm,
degree or minus 30 degree. Okay, minus 30
mm,
degree left, minus means left, plus means right. Same things
okay.
on here, pitch. Okay, you can looking plus 30 degree up and down. Okay, and roll means same things on here, plus 15 degree right, plus minus 15 degree left. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
straightforward 0 degree. Okay, now understand these things in here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so these things: face analysis, image, and read. Now, now we will talk about the
Echo.
uh, now talk about the mm, custom vision.
So basically, in the face recognition, we just analyze the face position. On the face position basis, that we just get the values from that AI services, Azure services, and we will save in that our in our system.
Yes, correct. Suppose
Okay.
suppose when you go to the office, and
Hmm.
then you are present or absent.
Hmm.
Okay, so we have
Hmm.
multiple face collect from your face with the with your um, multiple situation. I take the photo of your face and
Hmm.
store in my model. Okay,
Hmm.
store in
Hmm.
my model, and
Hmm.
when you go in office, I recognize your face, and then based on your face, okay, different angle. We have total 27 angle. So for
Okay.
from which we can recognize the face. You are
Okay.
correct person or not?
Okay. So in the output, it will save my face of the face values.
Face values, not face.
Okay. So once I just recapture that, we just want to verify that the face value we have saved it, the face value is same. So how it will be done? It will compare the things.
Yeah,
How it
yeah.
will compare?
Suppose that it will be like when you accuracy
Hmm.
means
Hmm. Hmm.
suppose that if you are we have some value 50% or 60% or 70%. If greater than 70% or 60%, then you are correct person based
Okay.
on the criteria. Okay, in the maybe in the last image in analysis. Okay, this is a person that confidence
Hmm.
in the
Hmm.
in on the image analysis. Based on the confidence, we have checked the if 0.7 greater than 0.7, then it is correct person. If not, then it not a correct person. Person detected with the confidence. Okay,
Hmm.
so this will be value be check. Okay, based on the value,
Okay.
based on the validation. Okay, we can recognize this is a correct person or not.
Okay.
Okay, so now we will talk about the custom vision. Means custom vision inside uh, mm, like how to create uh, just 1 second. Okay, vision we can see through this we can create the on model. Okay, uh, custom image if na and how you can through this we can create the custom model. Okay, so for that we first start the how to create this custom vision and how to use and what the purpose on here. So for that we have created the again resource uh, on here create resource. Now on here resource is a custom vision. Okay, okay, custom vision AI service into in platform for of computer vision or specific scenario. Okay. So on here, custom vision. Okay. On here, now you can see create option, both prediction and training. Suppose we have create the any model, okay, like predefined model, but on here we are creating the on model. Okay, like we have multiple model on here, GPT, Chat GPT, okay, Chat GPT, Gemini, or GPT-4, 3. Okay, this is a predefined model that we are using on here. Okay, same thing we have created the custom model. Like this is a Chat GPT, this is a model. Okay, same thing we have creating the on model. How to create my model. Okay, how to test for that on here. This is a prediction. Okay, prediction and testing and training, these both things we have do on here, prediction and training. We have created the project, means I create the model, and testing training, then I can select on both. Now custom vision, test, test, like we are using the standard on here. Okay, now both standard, next. Okay, now it will validating, like custom image, tagging support, node code training, multiple things on here we are doing. Okay, just I creating the resource on here. Now create. Okay, so on here it will two things on creative, to apply training resource. mm, okay, one is a production resource, one is a training resource. Okay, on here two things is created on here. This is deployment progress, just wait 2 minutes. Okay, now it created. Go overview. mm, Test customization. Okay. Okay, now on here, create custom vision portal. Go to the custom vision portal. Okay, and here sign in. Okay, on here, now we'll create the project. Like delete this. Okay, Fraud classification and fraud classification on here. mm, Ports one. Okay, classification, multiply generation, and now and create project. Okay, I am creating on here on custom model. Okay, now upload the image on here. Image we need to get somewhere. Azure AI now custom image. Okay, on here. Then okay, okay, one for copy. Okay, select all image. Open. Okay, my tag name is this is a apple. Apple. Okay, upload image. Okay, this is a image is uploaded for the apple. Now next image we are uploading for the banana. Okay, this is a banana. Okay, two banana. Okay, one is apple and I got another image for the orange. Orange. Okay, so I uploaded three type of uh, fruits: orange, banana, and apple. Okay, now we want to train this model. This is a custom model we want to train. Now train, quick train
So,
now.
so the purpose of this adding this image.
Purpose of this image, we have suppose I have type something, okay, on my model. Okay, like
Mm.
this is a chat GPT, this is a model. Okay, this is
Uh,
a
uh,
model,
uh,
predefined model is generated by the third party. Okay, on
okay.
here we have write something.
Mm.
Okay, so
Mm.
give the output on here. Okay, same
Mm.
things I am creating on my custom model. On here
Okay.
custom model, when I test, when I test, okay, when I upload any image
Uh,
on here, like grapes or another image, then we will check the accuracy on here. This is available or not. Okay,
okay.
we'll check the accuracy on here. Okay, suppose I upload the 15 image of the apple, and I when it test this model, this accuracy, this apple available or not. What the this apple, this is apple or not. Okay, or another things. So these things will check through this model.
Okay.
What the use of model? When you write something image, if you add your face in the image, and then
User model means that we provide the properties that to work on that.
correct. Means model is, this is a model provide, what are you saying? Suppose when you upload any image in the chat GPT, like upload image apple, so chat GPT say this is a apple. Okay, so how to understand chat GPT?
Yeah, based on the data. The
Correct.
data
So
data is
so
in model.
correct. So that I uploaded 15 image of apple.
Mm.
Correct.
Okay.
When I taste this apple, and I burn from one image,
Okay, I
then
got
this
it. I
one.
got it. I got
Correct.
it. Got it. Yeah, I
Yes.
got it. Means that you are trying to say that we have just keep this Apple multiple angle images in the database of models. Okay.
Correct.
So
Yes.
once we request from the AI, it will be check with these images and provide the output on the accuracy of
Correct.
that.
Correct. 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 These things I am doing here. Actually, it will take some 40 to 45 minutes. Okay. It will
Okay.
take more time on here.
Okay.
Then uh, you already
Okay.
training
You
on
are
the data.
training. Yeah.
Okay, in the
Okay.
performance
Okay.
page. So it will more time. So wait for some. Uh, till then, we have do another things.
Okay.
Now,
So likewise, ChatGPT also has some data on the basis he will provide the something to us on
yeah,
our request.
correct. Same things I am create on my custom model, and
Hmm.
I give only on here three images with 15 mm, different image. Okay, three fruits with different 15. Okay. When I upload 16 image, then it will check the accuracy. Is this is a apple or this is a something? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now I will still I will go to the suppose we have video. Okay, something we have video. Okay, and inside the video, how to recognize this is a how to recognize this is a person, something, or multiple things, like on here. Go to the, okay, I open, just 1 second. Okay, I close these things on here. Open video indexer, video indexer dot AI. Okay, so this is a video. On here, I play this video. Okay, now this video is play. Okay, now you can see from the starting on here. This sixth topic is recognize the sixth topic on your JavaScript programming language, software testing. Okay, computer. Okay, these things on here recognize. Sixth topic is recognized on here. A audio effect. Okay, silence. And 15 keywords on here: long term, small, checkbox, static file, state management. Okay, microbase, temp data. These things, this text is recognized. Okay, okay, this text is it is recognized. And the labels: rolling credit, black, test, software, display, electronic. Okay, different okay, this thing is recognized. Okay, these things this video indexer, through this video indexer, these things we can recognize. And here 50, 20, 42 name entities, Java home, okay, library. Okay, so then it will throw this code, you can recognize how to recognize these things. Okay, through this code we can recognize from 7% Jasmine, Dave, Tilly. Okay, in the on here you can see. Okay, this is a .NET framework. Okay, Windows on here. Okay, Docker. Okay, this different recognize on here. Emotions, anger, 30, 3.37 anger, joy. Okay, and if you want to take a screen, this screen, four screens on here. This screens. Okay, ports are four short in screen. These things on here. Okay, one framework. Okay, if you want to one keyframe the short. Okay, this thing in the inside. Okay, and also this you can read this data on here. TTML. Okay, these things these things also we can do all things through the code. Okay, this is through the video analysis. How to do video analysis in on here. in the video indexer. Okay, suppose we have video. Okay, inside the video, multiple things on there, and inside from the video, we need to recognize some things. So how to recognize? Through this way, we can recognize from the video. Okay, these things we can recognize. Topic, audit, multiple things on here, multiple object on there. So suppose I created inside the code uh, like okay, inside the code I write src one file video analysis video analysis dot html. Okay, now on here okay, this is a main section, body inside. Okay, inside the body we will inside the body. Okay, inside the body we have created the table. Okay, inside the table we have created the two things on here, table, table, tr. Okay, now on here table we have created the tr, td, and net new td. Okay, there is two things on here. Now, okay, when you want this on here, go to the embedded. Inside the embedded we have the player these things. Okay, now this iframe, if you I copy this iframe on here, okay, and same thing if I inside, go to the inside, copy, copy, okay, this inside, format, okay, now go inside the folder, now run. Okay, now if you want to uh, iframe get the url all things, then you can use these things. Okay, how many things on here, same thing. Okay, these things you can see. Okay, timeline. Okay, this thing you can recognize from the video. Okay, through the iframe url, video and insight. Okay, that things through the html. I take the video url and okay, inside and video url and show the data on here, and we can get data. But we want to these things through the code, through the python. Same things we can do through the python. Okay, on here like you want to recognize the face, speech to text, language. Okay, so all things, all object we can recognize. Okay, so how to do the things from the code. So for that, I create the one file, video analysis dot py, video analysis, video
PY.
analysis dot py. Okay, video analysis dot py. Okay, now on here import request. Okay, oh yes, and now we need to some configuration like account ID, account ID, OENT, account underscore ID. Okay, one is the account ID. So account ID, go to the on here, and on here click the on here click, and on here this is my ID, this is my account ID. Okay, copy and paste on here. Okay, this is account ID, and location, 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 location. I just check on here. Location we have using the trial. Okay, so trial, T TRAIL. Okay, trial. Now we need to app key. What is the app key on here? So app key, how to find the app key? Where is my app key? So this is a ID. Okay, now go on here. Okay, app key, for the app key we need to go to the on here API. Okay, API hyphen porter dot video index dot AI. On here, go to on this URL inside the API. On here, go to the APIs, go to the APIs, and okay, now on here try it. Okay, try it on here OCR API. mm, well, it's not getting okay, APIs. This is sign out. Okay, now try it. Now get value on here OCR APN subscription. Okay, this key we need to read. Copy. Okay, make sure this is a sign up login. Okay, before that this is not login, so I'm not getting value on here. Okay, so remove this value and paste on here. This is a three value we need to: account ID, location, and API key. No
Okay.
save. Okay, so after that we can get the access token on here. Get access token. Okay, get access token. We need to on here uh, location F location API cognitive service. Mm, F location video indexer. URL is equal to mm, EF. Okay, double quote HTTPS colon API dot video indexer dot AI. Okay, AI. Okay, video indexer dot AI. Earth location account ID. Okay, now now one here header HEA header. Okay, header API key, and on here response URL and now raise for the status and return response. Now on here this is close for the error aspect identification response request. Okay, request save. Okay, return. Okay, okay, so response on here response and response return token on here from this function. Okay, now get video list, get get video get video list on here, get video or access token, pass access token, and now header pass API key, and insert the access token pass. Now get response. Okay, now on here On here, response get URL header and URL. Okay, param. Location account ID and account ID. Token. Access token URL. Now response. Request dot get URL and video respond dot JSON. Respond dot video as you just respond dot JSON. And on here, okay, videos and or if you want to return, and here directly you can return. Okay, this is for the how to get the video. Okay, this is for the function for the get the token, and this with the token how to access the video from this video indexer. Okay, now write the main method and here try access token. Okay, and access token and get video. Okay, get video function name get video. You can write get video list. Okay, because on here multiple video. Get video list on here come video and print the video. For video inside the video we will print. Okay, now okay, on here video multiple video, and after that we will write the on here code accept print error. Okay, so you can get the token. After token it pass the token the video list function, and on here get video, and now you can get the video on here. Okay, so now I run this code. Go and run this code in terminal. cdsrc. Okay, cdsrc inside src ub run video analysis py. Output is not coming. Okay, I write the main method, then we need to run this code on here. If man, then man. Okay. Now, now you can see on here access token is coming. Access token. After that, recognize the video on here. Okay. Total count one. We have one video on here. This is token on here till token. After result, account ID, partition, all things, all information related to the video on here. Okay. You can read the video through the Python. And also, if you want to recognize the app inside from here, now you can also recognize like here get app inside. Oh, okay. Or video inside, you can see video inside, like video inside these things we can see in the video, uh, video inside this. Okay, this is a insights, all things on here, how to recognize. So inside this video inside, I will write the code on here. Def get video insights. Okay, video ID and access token, two things we need to pass on here. And on here indexer, response, get URL, status, and now return. Okay, from this you can get the information of the video inside. You can now you can access this information on here. App inside. Okay, on here video ID, access token, video ID, access token, print all value on here. Okay, access token pass and get data video inside and video ID. Okay, and if you want to uh, JSON data like insights, uh, like JSON dot dump. Okay, insights, quick head import. Okay, then also you can print. Okay, and uh, and if you want to print this information in the folder, output folder, then you can print these things like uh, okay, this print. And if you want to write this in the data in the open, okay, open out folder on here, this is out folder of output. Okay, and file name you want to write dynamic ID, then you can create JSON and JSON.dump. And okay, now you can print. And also if you want to get the captions, okay, what the multiple captions on there, then also you can get captions also on there. Okay, now again run this code, cd src ub run. Okay, ub run video analysis.py. Okay, now you can see this all data, video inside data information is here. Okay, now you can see, correct? This is a video inside information. Now
Okay.
open the folder. Open the folder. This is a app inside. On here you can see our data read on here. Video inside data related information. Okay. This is a all video information on inside the folder. Also inside JSON file. Okay. So video index through the video indexer. If you want to video analysis, screenshot, text, label. Okay, multiple things on here. Just I show on again these things. Insights all information in my. Okay, if you want to read all information through the code, you can read through this HTML. If you want to see these all things, name entities and topics, effect, all things. This information we have. These things are in the through the code. We can read these things. All information on here. Okay, these things be how to read this. How to read video. How to read
Okay.
video. This is how to. Okay. So now again move to the my model which I create some time before. Go on here. Okay. Now you can see this is a precision 100%, 100%. Okay. It will create. Now I will test. I okay. We need to test. Quick test. First we need to publish. Okay. Publish, and we will try to write the fruit detector. Okay. And on here publish FRUITS fruit. Okay. Now you can see the publish selection URLs. Okay, got it. Okay, this information. Now I quit the test on here. Browse. Okay, you can enter the URL or browse local file. Like, okay, I upload. We have okay. This is a my training file. Okay, we want to test file. This is a we have three files. We have one is a test file. One is a or a, apple banana. Okay, we want to test the banana. Okay, now you can see accuracy probability 99.9. This is a banana. Okay, orange 0%, apple
Mm,
0%.
okay.
Correct.
Correct.
Now again, if you want to check the apple, now you can see check the accuracy. 99.6 accuracy is apple. Banana 0.2. Orange is 0.1. Okay. Again, if you want to check the orange, then you can check the accuracy 99.7, 0.20. Okay. This is a probability. Okay. Through this model, we can check because we have three data of three fruits: apple,
Mm,
banana, and orange. According, if you can customization or data, and then you can test. Okay, this is a custom model. Okay, after that, through this, then same things we can do from through the code. Now we can do these things from the code on here. Okay, so go to the on here. Okay, now till on here any confusion?
no.
How to video analysis, how to create the custom model, how to video indexer on there and recognize the image, all things. Okay, this thing you can understand, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now Inside the src folder, I have created the one folder, uh, custom vision, or we can copy the folder from another place. On here, go to the Field Explorer. Okay. Okay. So when I throw the code, I train the model from this image: apple, banana, orange. Okay, and I will test this image from this image. Okay, three image
Okay.
through the code. Same things I through the portal. I will these things I do on here. Okay, same things all. I create the custom model from the code, and I will do all things from the code level. So I create one file on here. Test classifier dot py. Okay, on here, and also we have created the one nv file dot nb. Okay, on here in the nv file we need to configuration of this mm, because I use this configuration on there. Okay, so for that we need to configuration prediction prediction predict this one. Okay, this information we need to production product project id, production endpoint, production key, production model name. Okay, this key we need to change. Okay, so production project id, how to get the production project id on here. Okay, now go to the my custom vision which I create on here. This is a prediction resource. Okay, now currency deploy. Click on this. Okay, click on this. Now custom vision. Now you can see custom vision. This URL we need to copy. Copy this URL and paste on here. Custom vision URL. Okay, test custom vision URL production. This URL we need to copy from there. After that, production project ID, and project ID we need to copy from project ID. Go to the setting on here. Okay, now this is a project ID. Go to the custom vision. Okay, custom vision on here. Click the setting and project ID. Copy on here. This is a project ID. Okay, now production key. Production key. Where is the production key? Production key on here. Production key on here. Resource management key and key endpoint. This is a key. Copy and paste. Okay, this is a key. And production model name. Production model name. Go on here. Production. Production performance. Okay, this is a model name. Fruits deductor. Okay, and training endpoint. Training endpoint, and on here training endpoint we need not back to the on here training. Okay, this is a click. This is a production. Okay, this is a project. This is a training. Now click on here. Okay, and you go to the source. Now, okay, now copy this URL. This is a training endpoint. Okay, and on here key. This is a key. Okay, these things we are setting. Now we can write the code. Test classifier. Okay, on here we can write the code from .nv. Yes. Okay. Now, okay, on here we need to install some library for it. Okay, so we need to install some library on here. Library name is uh, this is library. Go to the terminal. Okay, and paste on here. Okay, this is library for the computer vision and custom vision. For the computer vision and custom vision, we need to install two library. UI 8 Azure Cognitive Service Vision, Computer Vision, Azure Cognitive Service Vision, Custom Vision. Okay, we need to install two library. Now, Azure.cognitive service from Azure dot cognitive service dot custom vision production. Okay, first, second is production dot. Okay, so second is from MS REST for the authentication. Okay, FP for the production and FP. Now, dev main okay, main. Now on here, get value product ID, production model name. Okay, these things I am getting from NV file. Okay, now on here credential and production, endpoint and credentials. Okay, now I get the image, I testing image, fruits dot. On here I check the file. Fruit dot. Now image inside the test image, test hyphen images, and we have image name is img img underscore test underscore one. Okay, img underscore test underscore one jpg. Correct. I will check this test image. Okay, or if you want to check multiple image, like uh, from image in os dot list directory images, test images. Okay, okay, I get the image from the test image folder. Now, image path, I get image path, image path, images folder, os.path dot join. Okay, dot image. Now image data, image data is equal to open image path and dot read. Okay, now print classify image and result production dot classify image. Okay, we need to read through the production, and we need to read the data, how to what the accuracy on here. So now this say double A. Okay, now save. Okay, now run this file. cd src cd src and cd inside this file, custom vision. cd cd custom vision. Okay, custom vision, we need to run ub run test classifier. Okay, dot py. Okay, now you can see. Okay, now you can see classify image test image 1 accuracy is 99.61, banana 0.2. Okay, orange 6, image 2, banana 90.9.92. Okay, orange 0.2. Classify image, we want to test image 3, then orange 99.7 and banana and these things. Okay, okay, now you can understand these things. Okay, you have any doubt on here? Same things I saw in the portal. Things I saw in the portal. Okay, to test. And also I saw the all code through the code level, through the Python. You can see the accuracy, all same accuracy on here. Same the on here portal and same on here. Okay, so on here, so I completed today how to recognize the face, how to analysis the video, inside the video how to read the content, how to read the screenshot, how to read the person name, all things in the video we can recognize through the video analysis. Okay, after that I create the custom model, and through the custom model, through the portal, we can you can check the test the custom model. Also, if you want to test code through the Python, you can create the custom model, and through the code level you can test the custom model. Okay, these things I have completed today. Now you have any doubt? Okay, so I wrap up today's class.